Ever stepped into an elevator that feels like a silent, reliable partner? That's our specialty. We design, install, and maintain elevators that blend safety, efficiency, and comfort for offices, residences, malls, and more. Every ride is tested to perfection. Every component built to last. No more waiting. No more worries. Just seamless upward and downward journeys tailored to your space. See our elevators in action in this video, then let's talk about making your building's vertical travel extraordinary.